Hey ladies and gentlemen, today I am lucky enough to introduce my best friend. Now, this person has been there for me when many weren't, and although she's kind of nerdy, she's somehow the coolest person I know. Whether she's editing, learning coding, playing jujitsu, or playing video games, she always seems to be the best at what she does. I think it's because she's not afraid to put in the hard work. Now, in this last year, we've built a very close bond. Whether it was training jiu-jitsu together 6 hours a week, 4 days a week, or playing video games for hours at a time, we built that bond. She'll be moving in about 6 months, and I am just so grateful I was able to meet her. I hope this move opens her up to so many adventures and opportunities, and I hope that it only helps her grow and reach her full potential. Plus, she'll be able to build that PC she's been wanting for a long time. On top of everything, she is the only friend I've had that doesn't try to start arguments with me, thank the heavens. Let's hear a round of applause for the coolest person in the world. Thank you.